Every time I trusted someone, I ended up being betrayed. So finally, I stopped trusting everybody.
I try to laugh about it, cover it all up with lies. I try to laugh about it, hiding my tears in my eyes. 'Cause boys don't cry.
Close your eyes, have no fear. The monster's gone, he's on the run.
I don't want to talk about it anymore. I'm tired of talking about it. I'm just tired.
No. Can't seem to let you go, can't seem to keep it close.
Hold me close.
Can't seem to let you go, can't seem to keep you close.
You know I didn't mean it though.
Tell me where you've been lately, tell me where you've been lately.
Just hold me close.
Good, I'm trying. I'm still trying. I'm trying. I
Still stand when your sheets are at the bottom. Of course that you please, that you like to cradle. Kids are still depressed when you dress them up. The syrup is still syrup in a sippy cup.
Man, I swear the parents just don't understand. You ain't gotta be old to be a man. Take my hand, come with me to my room.
How long have you been doing that?
Becky is a good person in her heart. I guess I've always known
But I just keep on laughing, hiding my tears in my eyes. 'Cause boys don't cry.
You always let your emotions get in the way. That's the problem with you, Lorelai. You don't think.
Mom, please.
He's just a man.
No more for you. All the tears you put me through. Though you left me, sweetheart.
Down inside, I just wanna be gone. Don't wanna talk, then keep my phone. Suicidal thoughts running through my dome. Probably gon' die in the murder zone. You ain't gotta cry, be glad I'm gone. Home just ain't been feeling like home. So sharing me deep, won't sing a song. Fuck all the ops, we'll never get along.